morning, students. Good morning, parents. How are you all? I hope you all are amazing. I am Mamta Bhavsar from Nursery A. Students, let's recall the letter C. So, letter C is going out. So, we have to help letter C to wear his shoes. So, let us all go together with letter C. Students, this is which letter? Letter C. Now, he is going out. So, we have to help to wear his shoes. Can you see? There are two pairs of shoes. So, we have to help letter C to select correct pair of shoes. Now, this pair, there are two letters M and T. And this C. So, letter C should wear this shoes or this shoes. This one?
No.
This pair?
Yes.
So, let's say letter C to wear the shoes. Now, letter C wore the shoes and he is going out. Now, letter C is sitting in the car. So, we have to help letter C to select the correct car. So, let's go. In this car, there is letter C?
No.
In this car, there is letter C?
No.
In this car, there is letter C?
Yes.
Yes, so we have to tell letter C to sit in this car. Now, letter C reached to the garden and he saw beautiful birds, some yummy strawberries and canberries and a beautiful butterfly. Now, letter C saw there are birds, but something is there on the bird. He saw there is letter P and letter C. So letter P is sitting on the tree and letter C bird fly away in the sky. And then letter C saw there are clouds in the sky. So letter C said, let me see which clouds are there. He saw letter R, letter C and letter U. Now letter C got confused to which cloud is most beautiful. So letter C said, oh yeah, this letter C is most beautiful because he looks like me. Now letter C is very hungry. He thought, let me have something. So he saw on the trees there are some apples, strawberries and canberries. So he was thinking, which fruit I shall eat. So he said, I don't want to eat apple. But students, we have to help letter C which letter he can eat. So let's help letter C. Can he eat the strawberry?
No.
Why no? Because it has letter K. So can he eat letter K?
No.
Strawberry? No. Can he eat letter C? Strawberry?
Yes.
Yes, because it has letter C. So now letter C is eating this strawberry. Now he said, I am still hungry. I want to eat some more. So he went ahead and he saw canberries, a juicy, delicious canberries. So he ate those canberries. Now letter C want to read some books. So he is thinking which book I can read. Can we help letter C to find which letter book he can read? Okay. He can read letter D book?
No.
No. Can he read letter B book?
No.
No. Can he read letter C book?
Yes.
Yes. So now letter C is reading this book. While reading this book, he saw some rabbits running and he saw there is one rabbit who is holding carrot and there is one more rabbit who is running behind the rabbit want to eat that carrot. Now let us see saw balloons in the sky. So letter C wanted to catch those balloons. So he is thinking, which letter balloon he should select. Can we help him? Yes. So let's help letter C to catch those balloons. Can he catch letter B balloon?
No.
Can he catch letter O balloon?
No.
No. Can he catch letter C balloon?
Yes.
Yes. So he is trying to hold letter C balloon. Now letter C saw ice creams. So he wants to eat some ice cream. Can we help letter C to eat some letter flavor ice cream? Okay, let's help letter C. Can letter C eat Y flavor ice cream?
No.
Can letter C eat letter C flavor ice cream?
Yes.
Can he eat letter J flavor ice cream?
No.
No. So he can eat letter C flavor ice cream?
Yes.
Yes. So let's say letter C to eat this flavor ice cream. Now letter C is enjoying the ice cream. Letter C is very happy. Now he is going home. So let us all say bye-bye to letter C. Bye. Students, it's an activity time. So let's all do the activity on letter C. Students, now we'll do the activity on carrot. Seek a carrot. So I will show you how to make carrot on a sheet with the help of foot. We'll do the footprinting on this sheet. See, now I will show you how to do that activity. For this, we need orange paint color and green sketch pen to paint our feet. So let's do footprinting to make carrot. This is the way I have stamped my feet on the paper to create carrot. See? Now with the help of sketch pen, I am making leaves. Students, even you can use crayon and make leaves. You can take the help of your parents. Now let's color the leaves with the help of crayon. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This is the way we color our leaves, color our leaves, color our leaves. This is the way we color our leaves, color our leaves. This is the way we color our leaves, color our leaves, color our leaves. So kids, we are done with this carrot. So kids, we have made footprint in order to make carrot. Students, let's color letter C worksheet. It says color the cranberry. So first we'll color the uppercase C and then lowercase c. Students, see cranberry. So let's color the cranberry with the help of red crayon and leaves with the green crayon. I hope kids you will enjoy the letter C activity. You can do this activity with your parents and brother and sister. Bye bye. I am Mamta Bhavsar from Nursery A, signing off on behalf of Rejoice International School. Bye bye, all cuties.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Activity sheet can be downloaded from the link provided below.